Hey, this is a quick video on how to set up my menu on the OM-1. There's not really much of a difference between this and the EM-1 Mark III, but the menu is different looking, so I figured that's good enough for an update. First, hit Menu. Then scroll to the feature that you would like to add to My Menu. To add the feature, you'll hit the red record button, which brings up the prompt to choose which My Menu submenu you would like to add that feature onto. If it's grayed out, as you can see on my screen, that means it's full. Scroll to the next submenu and press OK on the D-pad. And that's pretty much it. If you want to remove, rearrange, or remove the page, go to the submenu, find the item or the page, and hit the red record button. Choose what you'd like to do and hit OK. Then follow the prompts and confirm again by hitting the OK button. I personally have my menu group set up with all the video functions I use frequently in the first group, random functions that I seem to use frequently in the second group, and all the special photography features I use frequently in the third group. I do highly suggest using my menu to keep you from having to dig through the vast menu. Olympus OM's My Menu function is still my favorite version of this compared to other camera companies. Well, I hope this helps you. Have a wonderful day.